The adverbs still and anymore can both be used to refer to actions and situations that happened in the past and has a connection to the present. The point to note when using still and anymore is that the action happened in the past and has a connection to the present. So in today's English lesson, let's look at how we can use still and anymore in everyday English. The adverb still is used to show that an action is happening or not happening up to the present. It is often used when the action was expected to end earlier. The placement of this word can vary, but it's most commonly used in front of the main verb or after the present simple or past simple of to be, as we can see in the following examples below. I can't believe it's still raining. I am still hungry. I still haven't seen Jacky. From the below examples, we can see that the adverb still is used to refer to actions and situations that happened in the past and still has a connection to the present, or simply put, something is happening or not happening up to the present. We use the adverb anymore in sentences to demonstrate that something is no longer happening or is finished. Simply put, something from the past that doesn't continue. This word is often used with a negative phrase, and it usually appears at the end of a sentence. Let's see some examples. Nick doesn't live here anymore. John is not in school anymore. I really don't like him anymore. As we can see from the below examples, something used to be true in the past, but it's no longer true now. Simple tips to remember: use still with something from the past that continues. Use anymore with something from the past that doesn't continue. I hope you found some value and learned something. If you did, I'm happy. Please show me some love. Hit on that subscribe button below and the bell icon so you don't miss out on my future lessons. For more of these confusing English words, be sure to check out on my previous lesson here. Stay blessed. I will see you in my next class. Goodbye.